Apoto asubana itebe ikinos beach kede aparani na auritere Samuel enyutu. Osekarai apolokinto soroti koa PTC. Loda bobo arai seki apolokinto echolongolo katukoro kana Principals Association Uganda. He kukulero Cyrus Ouchul edopete kangulu atwario nyesabala ekoto Eswamak duchu agiana ra kapanakin no Aiyengun no koto maswam na pugan aparani napo elomarata kesi agiara swam koma me Yesu nurikarulu aurio kwap.
Akona Ekenyakin tungalu ero kija zaso mamu kuriaka ajala kina somo narai apakna yangari on office yenyaki karukau radne acha tunzana ko ni na makun apakna nyoni office angol mamu you not really enjoy mai bra enjoy kapno ngunu dumunio ejogo yalo munero ka ko na gogo so that you cannot continue from there so do me aso from day one apakna so dit okay planning anu anyun ai taringa so mangi so planning ya job nebe subusugu nebe soft landing dumnebe ilomni job ada developing planning dumnebe yetu kitewala zo office messenger ko dum to ko tio charo to de lai ko dum to na lai chapakara ni engineer lenye million mambori ye nada me planning.
What I would like to say is that can we all cooperate together during our workplace so that we see what we are doing. This benefit that, what we have already acquired now is through cooperation. That is how we are able to come up to this level. Retiring means you have really prayed a lot. You are like those ones who are in the seminary, they have been praying a lot, but God one day gave them opportunity to become a priest. And here we are.
Samuel enyutu nyesabu ishalamik ai somanara kech kobalebe erasi kesi retired generals lu yenguntos konye komamu itegitos.
Chairperson PAU Eastern, your input towards PAU Eastern is commendable. Your work is seen and will always be appreciated. Members of PAU, we cannot thank you enough for this function of goodwill for us. The Almighty will reward you appropriately.
Akukeleru na aishisha koyapesi loka ashomani kongora district petwa ademun yesi araya pejono na aibusesu eturiti noi etimulo ishalamikite asubana ai numunumio kongora St. Aloysius kwa PTC.
The government has a policy that all teachers must have degrees. And this therefore calls for teachers to upgrade. But now we find ourselves in a dilemma. In our schools, this is a national concern. In our schools, we have inadequate numbers of teachers against the high enrollments that are in. Now it becomes a big challenge.
Kanua TV East told Batedait ko St. Aloysius ko PTC Kongora District.